Hey Pash fam! In this video, I'll teach you how to add pages into your planner. Now let me preface this by saying you can add pages in your planner, but we do not recommend deleting any of the original pages of your planner. This can cause the hyperlinks to no longer work. So what I do personally is I have bookmarked the original pages of the blank dot grid pages because I always duplicate and rearrange those. But let's get started. So let's say I want to duplicate my blank pages in the back because you'll notice that there are only one page of each blank, dot, and grid page. So actually, let's duplicate the grid pages. So from here, I would go to these three dots in the corner and then click copy page. After that, I would click this plus sign here and click paste page. And now I have a duplicate of that page, and this is the original one because I bookmarked it. Another way to add pages into your planner is using thumbnail view. So you would go to this corner here, click on these four squares to get to thumbnail view. Then you'll see the page that you're on is highlighted in blue. So if I wanted to duplicate this page, I would click this down arrow and then click duplicate. Now let's say I don't want my pages to just stay in the back. Let's say I want a grid page after one of my weekly layouts. One way you would do that is, again, you would just click copy page. Then from there, I would navigate from thumbnail view probably to my weekly layout. Click the plus sign, click paste page. Another way you could do that is you could click the down arrow of the page you want to duplicate, click duplicate, and then hold and drag it all the way up to wherever you want it and drop it there. It's worth noting that if I duplicate, let's go back to the grid page. If I duplicated this, once I clicked on the grid tab, whichever tab is corresponding to that page, it'll go to the original page and not to my duplicate pages. So personally, what I like to use adding pages for is I would duplicate a grid page and then add it after a weekly layout to, say, mind map everything I have to do that week. Or what I like to do is I like to duplicate the weekly layouts themselves. That way I can split my work schedule from my personal schedule. Also, if you bought our bundle, you'll notice that it came with all of our inserts, and some of them are full page inserts. So I would duplicate a blank page and then paste that insert into your planner. And that about covers how to add pages into your planner. Hope you found that helpful.